In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify header. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your announcement bar, logo placement, and menu alignment so your storefront looks clean, on-brand, and easy to navigate. First, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand sidebar, open Online Store. This takes you to your Themes area where you manage how your site looks. Find your current theme and choose Edit Theme. Depending on your setup, this may be labeled Customize. Either way, it opens the theme editor, where you'll see a live preview on the right and your sections and settings on the left. Let's begin with the announcement bar, the slim strip at the very top that's perfect for quick updates like shipping promos or seasonal messages. In the left panel, select the announcement bar. Inside, you'll see a text field you can edit. Keep your message short, specific, and scannable. Think a single sentence or phrase. Use simple punctuation and avoid long strings of symbols so it remains accessible. As you type, watch the preview to check contrast and readability against your theme's colors. If your theme supports multiple announcements, keep them consistent in tone and length to avoid visual clutter. Next, head to the header section. This controls the core of your site's top area, the logo and main navigation. In the logo settings, choose the position that best fits your brand's look: left, center, or right. Left-aligned logos feel classic and are familiar to most shoppers. Centered logos create a balanced boutique vibe. Right-aligned logos are less common but can work for minimalist layouts. Keep an eye on spacing in the preview so the logo doesn't crowd your menu or search icon. If your logo appears too large or small, consider adjusting its size setting in your theme options so it remains crisp without overpowering the header. Finally, adjust your menu alignment. You can set it to left, center, or right to complement your logo choice. A left logo often pairs well with a right-aligned menu for a tidy, modern layout. Centering both the logo and menu can feel elegant, but requires enough space between items to stay readable. As you switch alignments, scan for overlapping elements or truncated text, especially if your menu has drop-downs or longer labels. That's it! You edited the announcement bar text, then refined your header by positioning the logo and menu for a professional, user-friendly look. Take a final glance at the preview to ensure everything feels balanced, and you're ready to move on to the rest of your store's design.